solving some question papers. I hope all of you are ready now. Nobody is perfect in this world. We all are here to learn, and we should keep on learning. And therefore, this should continue as a continuous exercise. Today you may be able to solve it, tomorrow you may not. Tomorrow you may be able to become perfect. Perfection is a process, Continuous efforts are required if you really want to improve yourself. ये जो हमारी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स हैं, ये वर्ल्ड के टफेस्ट एग्जामिनेशंस में से एक हैं, और इन परीक्षाओं में स्कोर करना बहुत मुश्किल काम है, टफ, क्योंकि कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, टफ कंपटीशन, एवरीबडी इज वर्किंग हार्ड. You should also work very hard. Okay, come now. You can see the sentences. You have to find the errors. आपको इनमें गलतियां निकालनी है, कोशिश करनी है. जो भी आपका आंसर है, you can tell me the answer, and then we'll discuss. Of all those involved with the accident, none was seriously injured. क्या होगा इसमें गलती? A, B, C, या कोई गलती नहीं?
Sir, in the accident.
Of all those involved in the accident, correct. With the accident नहीं होगा, in the accident. Absolutely right. Radar equipments that is to be used for ships must be installed carefully. इसमें क्या गलती है? Radar equipments that is to be used for ships. That are perfectly right. बहुत बढ़िया. You are doing
which is to be
wonderful.
used for
बहुत
ships must
शानदार.
be installed carefully.
Radar equipments that are, क्योंकि एक equipment नहीं है, खूब सारे equipment है, that are to be used for ships must be installed carefully. बहुत बढ़िया उत्तर दिया आपने. New types of electrical circuits has been developed by engineers. इसमें क्या गलती है?
Had been आएगा sir.
New types of electrical circuits had been developed by.
Absolutely right. Have been developed. New types है, plural है तो अपन यहाँ पे has नहीं यूज करेंगे, हम have यूज करेंगे. Have been developed by our engineers. Perfectly right. You are very good. Keep trying. Recently I visited Kashmir and found the sceneries to be marvelous. Recently I
visited Kashmir.
And found the sceneries
marvelous.
Yes, recently I visited Kashmir and found the sceneries marvelous. No need of to be. To be की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Yes sir.
It is of primary importance in swimming to learn to breathe properly. इसमें क्या गलती है?
and breathe properly.
हाँ, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया, तेज बोलिए थोड़ा.
And breathe properly.
It is of primary importance in swimming to learn to breathe properly. इसमें क्या गलती है? आपके हिसाब से क्या गलती है? टू नहीं आना चाहिए क्या? या क्या आना चाहिए?
टू.
Sir, it is correct, I think.
It is of primary importance. It is of primary importance in swimming to learn to breathe properly. इसमें क्या गलती है?
Sir, there is no mistake.
There is no mistake. Correct. There is no mistake. इसमें कोई गलती नहीं है. Breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe ये verb है, तो ये verb के रूप में ही यूज किया है इन्होंने. Correct. No problem at all. When the party was over, he looked around for the girl who had come with him. हाँ, क्या गलती है इसमें बताइए? When the party was over, he looked around for the girl who had come with him.
So no error.
इसमें एक वर्ड यूज किया गया है, लुक अराउंड. ये क्या होता है? ये
Searched.
इसका मीनिंग एक बार देखते हैं. लुक अराउंड मीनिंग
He
लुक
searched
अराउंड का
for the
मीनिंग
girl.
क्या है? गूगल में ही सर्च करते हैं. लुक अराउंड मीन्स टू गो थ्रू अ प्लेस इन ऑर्डर टू सी what is there, to explore a place. We arrived early at the theater and spent a few minutes looking around. The kids looked around for ships. ठीक है, look around means to explore. Fine, चल जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. और यहाँ पे इस पैसेज में when the party was over, he looked around for the girl. He explored, right? He explored the place for the girl who had come with him. Correct. फिर कोई गलती नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम. द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी वाज, कई बार ऐसी गलतियां होती है, तो गलत जो इस प्रकार की गलतियां हो सकती है कि अराउंड की जगह अगर लुक आउट होता या लुक इनटू होता तो शायद कुछ गलती होती, पर नहीं है, इसमें कोई गलती नहीं. फाइन, करेक्ट, नो एरर. आफ्टर वी वर ड्राइविंग फॉर माइल्स ऑन द विंडिंग रोड, आई वाज सडनली सिक.
After we drove,
आफ्टर वी ड्रोव, करेक्ट. आफ्टर वी वर ड्राइविंग फॉर माइल्स नहीं होगा, आफ्टर वी ड्रोव फॉर माइल्स. करेक्ट. After we drove, correct, absolutely right. The forecast was for fair and warm weather, and the day dawned dark and chill.
instead of and, it will be but.
The forecast for fair and warm weather, yes, but and की जगह आएगा but.
However,
The day
also,
dawned
sir.
dark and chill, क्योंकि फोरकास्ट तो ये था कि दिन एकदम वार्म रहेगा, लेकिन सुबह सुबह शुरुआत कैसी हुई? बड़ी ठंड से शुरुआत हुई. तो दो
Sir,
ऑपोजिट
however
सेंटेंसेस
can
को
also
जोड़ना
be
है.
there.
हाँ, however can also be used, however और but. एंड का यूज नहीं होगा, however या but का इस्तेमाल होगा. बिल्कुल सही बताया आपने, थैंक यू, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, टू राइट, टू स्पीक और टू एक्ट सीम्स वेरी इजी. To write, to speak or to act seems very easy.
Sir, I think there is no mistake.
Yes, but actually to write, to speak, in between you have to put or also. To write or to speak or to act seems very easy. Otherwise, what will happen? It will become plural. And if it will become plural, the word seems cannot be used, then we'll have to use seem. Because to write, comma, to speak will make it plural, and then seems is incorrect. You will have to use seem. So in order to make it correct, to write or to speak or to act, we will have to put it like this. I have not had tea since 2 days. I have not had tea since 2 days. How will you correct it?
From 2 days.
For 2 days. Correct. Absolutely right. Since nahi aayega, for aayega. For 2 days. Correct. Next. Beside his mother, he has 2 aunts who stay with him.
Who stays with him?
Besides his mother.
Absolutely right. Besides. B-S-I-D-E-S. Besides. Right? They are similar word. Beside has different meaning. Besides has different meaning. Beside means by the side. And besides means in addition to. So in addition to his mother, he has 2 aunts who stay with him. So the answer is besides. We will have to put S. This is the mistake. The answer is in A. Very carefully, you are telling very good performance. This photograph appears to be the best of the 2. This photograph appears to be the best of the 2.
Best among the 2?
No, but the answer is C. You are right. Answer is C. If you will write in exam, answer is C. You are correct. When we are comparing only 2, it is better to write better, not the best. The photograph appears to be the better of the 2. The photograph appears to be The best of all, that can be used. The best can be used with all, the best of all. But if you are comparing only
Sir,
two, then better write
best of
the better is what word. This
sir,
photograph,
best of the two is also correct, I think.
best is generally used when the number is slightly bigger. If the number is only 2, then better to write, then there is another word, that is just we are comparing two persons or two photographs, that better it is to write the better of the two. Better is used only for two persons, two photographs. This photograph appears to be the better out of the two. That would be better.
Okay,
The
sir.
answer is C. Fine, correct. So whatever you write, you can make it correct, no problem at all. Either the operator or the foreman are to blame for the accident. How will you correct it?
To be blamed.
No. Anybody else who can try? The correct answer is, when we use either or, then we have to see either the operator, this is singular, so we cannot use are. Either the operator or the foreman is. So answer is in B. The
Is
correct
to
answer
blame.
is to blame. R will not come,
Yes,
is
sir.
will come, because we are using either or. Either or, it will make singular, and therefore is to be used. The article offers good advice to whomever must accept it. Very simple. Can you try?
The
Say,
article offered to good advice.
the article offers good advice to. No problem at all. This is correct. Here is the mistake. Whomever. Can we use whom with accept? No. Whom is object. Accept is used here as verb. So whomever is wrong, we will have to make it whosoever or some other word. So whomever is mistake here. So this is the part where we have to correct it. Next, he dislikes you being most organized than she is.
More organized.
Yes, more organized. Perfectly right. Absolutely right. In the following passage, at certain points, you are given choice of 3 words, right? Choose the best word. Okay. The dash dash boy was in the school in Shimla. Dash dash he was homesick. The dash dash. What is the answer?
Sir, did not understand the question.
It's not question, it is solution. Sorry. The boy, the correct answer is the dash dash was in school in Shimla. Correct answer is the boy was in Shimla. The boy was in school in Shimla. Dash dash was homesick. The correct answer is he was
He was
homesick.
say he was homesick. He
He
was
was
homesick.
homesick or he was homesick. Now, similarly, this will come.
What will happen to them after us?
Yes, what happened to them after us? In your opinion, correct answer is will. What will happen to them after us? The most dash dash question continuously torments them. So what will happen?
Distressing.
The distressing.
Yes. What will happen to them after us? The most distressing question continuously torments the parents of these dash dash
Unfortunate.
unfortunate children. So they are mainly interested in Mainly interested in
Giving.
giving some kind of vocational training for them. Correct. Dash dash special schools for such children.
Hence.
Hence, yes. Hence special schools for such children. Correct. Such children spread all dash dash the world.
Over.
All
All
over the
over the
world lay
world.
emphasis on vocational training. Dash dash they are taught to make paper bags.
Clumsy wall hangings, etc.
No, before this, what will be happen in 22?
Oh, this
However, accordingly, similarly, what will you use out of these three?
Accordingly.
Accordingly, right? Accordingly, they are taught to make paper bags, dash dash, wall hangings,
taught to
etc.
make paper. Clumsy wall hangings, etc.
No, not
Or
clumsy.
simple,
Simple
simple,
wall
simple.
hangings, etc. Because it's they are
Yes,
talking
sir.
about some physically challenged children. Because the parents are worried what can they do, so they put them in special schools where they are taught these simple things like simple wall hangings, etc. They make these things. This, of course, is quite dash and admirable.
Quite agreeable and
Agreeable and
admirable.
admirable. Correct, correct. But what about play and dash?
Play and sport.
What about play and sport? Correct. Next passage. Galileo used mathematical calculation as well as observation of nature and was the first astronomer who to use a telescope with an instrument of his own dash
Experiment.
Calculation.
with of his own construction, right? Own construction. He himself made the instrument actually. So Galileo observed Jupiter and four of what a tragedy it is. Indians rishis had identified Jupiter long back, but as per modern science, Jupiter was discovered by Galileo.
Four of their
Right? What a tragedy it is.
Four of
Galileo.
its.
Yes, what will come? Galileo observed Jupiter and four of the moons. Correct.
Four of its.
Four of its moons. Right. Four of its
of the
moons.
moons. Yes.
Galileo has about 79 moons. So no, I mean
Its
Jupiter has
moons.
got
Okay.
79 moons. So Galileo observed four of its moons, the phases of Venus, and spots on the sun. His
Observations.
observations and calculations
Observations.
confirmed that Copernicus and Kepler were right. He saw
With
his own eyes
From.
and
So
and
from
made,
can also be there.
he saw no with is a better
From
word.
his own eyes.
From can also
Okay,
be
sir.
used with his own eyes or from his own eyes. With is better word. He saw with his own eyes and made other people. Yes, dash
See to that.
see to
See
that.
to that.
See, he made other people to see. To see. To he made other people see to. See to that. See is also right. See to that the earth was not fixed. No, not the fixed center of
the universe.
the universe. As Ptolemy had said, Galileo made some important discoveries in mechanics.
Therefore.
Galileo therefore made some
Also.
important discovery in mechanics. He did not. What will come?
Sir, also can be there.
Okay, what will come now?
Just
Dash.
also.
Drop cannonballs from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. What will come?
As people say,
32. Okay. He did not. He did not. He did not, as legend says. As legend says, drop cannonballs from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Dash.
To
That
prove.
huh?
To prove.
That all bodies fall. All
fall
bodies
same
fall
speed.
at the same speed. But
Same speed.
But he did not roll balls
Downside.
downside to slope to show that the dash dash body falls is proportionate.
Track the path of a
That the track
path.
the body falls is proportionate. The path, okay, the path body falls is proportionate. Dash dash
Two.
square two is the right to the square of the time it takes to fall. Galileo also noticed the regular dash dash
Swinging.
Swinging.
swinging of the lamps in Pisa Cathedral. Dash dash gave him the idea of pendulum.
This gave him the idea of pendulum.
This gave him the idea of pendulum, a device that enabled him to make the clock a scientific instrument for first time. Next is sentence improvement. Look at the underlying parts of sentences. Below each sentence are given 3 possible solutions. Okay, it's 10 o'clock already. It's high time. You went home. Which is right? You had gone, you were going, you had been. No
You
improvement.
had been. You had been.
It's 10 o'clock already. It's high time. You
had gone.
You had
had
been.
gone home. Okay, you had gone home, or you had gone home. A is the best option out of these, because when we
Sir,
are
but
using high time,
sir, but we
you know,
are speaking it. It's 10 o'clock already. It's high time. You had been home. मतलब कि ये ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया कि तुम तब तक मतलब घर ही में रहे हो. तो ये वही होगा ना. You had been home.
yeah, actually this is not based on our simple tenses. It is high time. Whenever we use this kind of phrases, high time, then we use past perfect tense. I'll just show you in Google. It's high time you had been to home. You देखिए, they have given an example to clarify. Google has given an example which is correct. It's high time we leave, or it's high time we left, right? So some opinions I had often put imply that both are correct, while some imply that only phrase 1 is correct, right? The expression it's time to express something should happen now, or about time or high time. It is time we left. It's about we are going. It's high time you got a job. It's a time I cleaned my shoes. So high time is always followed by past tense, right? High time is always used with past tense. So it's 10 o'clock. It's high time you went home. So you went home is right, but better would be you had gone home. It's high time you went home. You went home is also correct. You can put the answer D. That is better. Right? We will not put present tense
Okay,
here.
sir.
The students are playing volleyball since 8 a.m.
Has been playing.
The students have been playing. Correct. Now here, our plans for the trip fell down because we had no money.
Fell off.
Fell off. Correct. None of these groups has reported accurately on the prevailing situation.
Have reported.
None of these groups has reported. Has is right because none is used here. None is because nobody is there, so it's a singular. None of the groups has reported. Has is right, no problem. Among the athletes undergoing training, Ramesh was easily the better.
Best.
The best.
Best.
Right, easily the best. Answer is C. My mother always asks us to clean the fan when we to close the fan when we leave the room.
Turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan. Correct. The earth moves round the sun, isn't it?
Doesn't it?
Doesn't it?
Yes, doesn't it? But isn't it is also right? No problem at
Yes,
all.
sir.
So we
It is
can
also
mark no
right.
improvement. Supposing if he is arrested, what will you do? What will he do?
So, he is arrested is okay.
Correct. B is right answer. Supposing cannot be used with if. So if will be dropped. Supposing he is arrested. Answer is B, which you have mentioned. Correct. Next is if she does not get more high salary, she will resign. How will you
If
correct it?
she does not get a high salary, she will
A high
resign.
salary, right? A higher salary. C is right answer. More and high cannot be used together. Instead of more high, we will use higher. A higher salary. C is the better answer. The parent should not discriminate from the girl child.
Between,
Is
discriminate
right.
between.
Discriminate between the girl. Discriminate against would be better. Discriminate against the girl child. Discriminate between will come when we have two objects. Now here only single object is there, girl child. So discriminate against girl child. So answer will be B.
Okay, sir.
My students have been interesting in learning French.
Have been
Have
interested.
My
been
students have been
interested.
interested. Correct. You are right. Answer is A. Hardly had I fallen asleep when the bell rang. Which would be better? Hardly. How will you correct? Correct answer is B.
Hardly
Hardly
I fell
had I
asleep
fallen. Had will come first.
and I fallen. Yes, sir.
Hardly had I fallen. This is the answer. B is the correct answer. I had fallen is wrong. Shakespeare's play Macbeth is another of his greatest work.
In
One of his greatest.
One of his greatest works.
One of his
Correct.
greatest.
Correct. One of the greatest works. Says. Some schools require children to wear black leather expensive shoes. Yes.
Expensive black leather shoes.
Correct. Expensive black leather shoes. B is the correct answer. Right? These
So
days,
C is
rather expensive black leather shoes. Yes, C is the correct answer, not B. These days, Radha finds it difficult to make both her ends meet.
both ends meet. Both
Yes,
both the ends meet.
yes. This is an idiom. So idioms have to be used in the same way. So both her ends meet is wrong. You have corrected it rightly. Thank you. It is a good thing for him should recognize his fault.
That he
Option
to
C.
recognize its faults.
Yes, that it is a good thing that it is a good thing.
From him to sorry, sir.
It's a good
Him
thing.
to
For him to recognize his faults.
C is the right answer. It's a good thing for him to recognize his fault. Correct. No sooner did we reach the railway station when it began to rain.
And it began to rain.
No, we cannot use and.
while it began to rain.
No, with no sooner we will use than. No sooner
So
did we
then
reach the railway station than it began to rain. The answer is A, then.
Okay, sir.
62. Well-bred children always listen to their parents' advice.
here
Obey.
Obey is the right answer. Perfect.
here also
Some
here too.
boys speak their mother tongue.
Among
themselves.
Among themselves. He does not know what the university is.
What an university is.
What and cannot be used.
What
What
Sir,
is right. What a university is.
sir,
Right.
A-E-I-O-U, it's vowel now.
Yes.
But it's
A will be
sounding
used.
blur.
the university, because university's pronunciation is starting with ya, and therefore we will not use an, we will use a. He does not know what a university is, right?
Okay, sir.
We will not follow a, I, o, u. We have to follow the pronunciation. If the pronunciation is starting with a, e, Hindi pronunciation, then we will have to use n. If the pronunciation is starting with ya, then we will have to use a, article a.
Okay, sir.
Even she had taken a taxi, she would have been late.
Although.
No. Even if she had, correct answer is A. Even if she had taken a taxi, she would have been late. Answer is A. He felt sure of his success, though he was beginning to get worried.
His successes.
He felt sure of his success is correct. No need of improvement. Answer is D. The Prime Minister called on the President.
Sir, by.
Called.
No, on is right. No improvement is required. Prime Minister called on the President. Correct. This is absolutely correct. No mistake. Yes, synonyms. All these items have been marked down. Yes, how will you correct it?
Reduced in price.
Reduced in price, synonyms, correct. He fought the demon with all his might.
Strength.
Strength, correct.
Strength.
How can you have the effrontery to ask for another loan? How? What is
Courage.
the synonym? No.
No, courage.
Courage.
Courage. Courage is the right answer. D is the right answer. Effrontery
Courage.
means courage here.
Yes, sir.
Because here we have to find
Yes,
the
sir.
meaning in the context of the sentence. Devotees believe that God dwells in their heart.
Live.
Lives.
God lives. Yes, God lives in their heart. Correct. Not everyone can respond to a difficult question quickly.
Answer.
Answer is
Answer.
right. C. C is the correct answer. There was a devastating attack on his work.
Terrible.
Terrible is
Unac-
correct. Terrible is correct answer. Absolutely right. Here, terrible is the best answer. Committee conducted an exhaustive inquiry.
Time consuming.
No.
Thorough.
Thorough. D is the right answer. Thorough inquiry. Correct. We have to look here in the sentence. The sage did not want to be bothered with mundane concerns.
Meaningless.
Meaningless.
Try it. Another word.
Trivial.
Worldly.
Worldly. Right. Because it is sage, so he's not concerned with worldly affairs. So the answer is A, worldly. He is just laying up a lot of trouble for himself.
Clearing.
Accumulating.
No, accumulating is the right answer. B is the right answer. Accumulating. Mountaineering in bad weather is dangerous.
Slippery.
Threatening.
D.
No, correct answer would be
Threatening.
C. Perilous.
Okay, sir.
Mountaineering in bad weather is dangerous. The correct answer is C. Perilous, which is most dangerous. So C is the better answer.
Okay,
Threatening is also good, but C is the better answer. So we have to select the best answer out of the options. A is right, but C is better option. So the answer will be C. Stellar groupings tend to be unlimited.
Lengthy.
Infinite.
Infinite. He was not ready with his annual accounts.
Yearly.
Yearly, right. Society cannot depend upon a fanatic for guidance.
Optimist.
No,
So option D.
no, the answer is, best answer is C, begot.
So what does it mean?
What is the meaning, sir?
Begot means not, I mean, somebody who is not logical, who is a very adamant kind of person. That is the meaning of begot. Let us search out on Google, begot meaning. So begot, a person who is obviously, ostensibly, or unreasonably attached to a belief. Unreasonably attached to a belief, opinion, faction, who is prejudicially against, antagonistic towards other persons. So Kattarpanthi, begot means Kattarpanthi. So the answer is phonetic, answer is begot. One who rules with unlimited power is called a dictator. What is the best option synonym?
Autocrat.
Autocrat.
Correct. Correct. Absolutely right. A busy person cannot waste his time on trivial issues. Unimportant. Right.
Unimportant.
Absolutely right. Unimportant is absolutely right. Now this is antonym. Now tell me the answer. His officer was a very strict person. Opposite of it. Tell me what will be the antonym.
Indifferent.
Lenient.
Lenient is right answer. Wonderful. C is the right answer. Lenient is the best answer. The
Open-hearted.
officer exaggerated the damage caused.
Ignored.
No. Exaggerated. The opposite of exaggerated here would be
Underestimated.
underestimated. Right. Underestimated is the best answer. D is the best answer. Right. The speaker was unable to pacify the crowd. What is the opposite of pacify?
Threaten.
No.
Antagonize.
Antagonize is absolutely right answer. Antagonize is absolutely right. Servitude is not helpful for mental growth. What is the opposite of servitude?
So what is the meaning of servitude?
Servitude means gulami.
Freedom.
Freedom
So
is the right
freedom.
answer. Freedom is the right answer. Absolutely right. The paucity of good teachers is the chief reason for the present condition of these schools. What is the opposite of paucity? Paucity means shortage.
Appointment.
Surplus.
Surplus is the right answer. Opposite of paucity is surplus. B. His attitude to poor people is deplorable. Deplorable means nindaniya, very bad. His attitude to poor people, commendable is right answer. Very good. A is the right answer. The guest made derogatory. Again, derogatory means same. Derogatory means bahut kharab. Derogatory remarks about
Complimentary.
Complimentary.
is right answer. Absolutely right. Don't you think his account of things was monotonous? Don't you think his account of things was monotonous? Monotonous is single, ek jaisa. The opposite of it will be
Varied.
varied. Correct. Answer is C. He has an aversion to milk. उसे दूध पसंद नहीं
Liking.
है.
Liking.
Correct answer. Liking. Spurious drugs can prove to be fatal. Spurious मतलब जाली, नकली.
Genuine.
Correct. Absolutely right. Now fill in the blanks. We must not dash the real and important advances science has made.
Ignore.
Ignore, right? We must not ignore or advances science has made. We must not
Oppose also, sir.
oppose can also be there. Question can also be there. Doubt can also be there.
So depends on the type of phrase we are speaking.
Yes, so all four are good answers, but we have to use the best one. अब यहाँ सबसे अच्छा क्या है बताना?
Sir, question.
We must not question is the best answer. Yes, we must not question the real and important advances science has made. What did you think of the film? Dash dash. I didn't like it very much.
To be honest,
To be honest, yes. To be honest, I didn't like it very much.
To be fair also, sir.
To be fair can also be there. Yes. To be fair, I didn't like it much. Honest, it very much. To be fair is even better. C is the better. He dash dash in his school since 2010.
Studied.
No, he
has been studying.
He
has
has
been
been
studying is
studying.
the best option. He has been
Yes, sir.
studying in this school since 2010. These trousers are too long. Dash dash the length, please.
Reduce.
Yes, reduce. Lessen can also be used. Lessen the length,
Yes, sir.
please. Diminish can also be used. Reduce the length, please. Cut it can also be used. So we have to select the best one. Curtail
Sir,
seems to be the
reduce,
best.
I think. I think you're right.
Curtail seems to be the best because for cloth, curtail is the best one. He does this in this school since 1010. We have already done it.
He has been.
After they dash lunch, the boys ran outside.
Has been studying.
After they, what will come?
Had eaten.
Had eaten is right answer. Correct. B is the right answer. His parents died when he was young. I think that's why he has dash problems.
Too many.
Yes, I think that's why he has too many problems, or he has so many problems,
So much more could also be there.
much more problems. But the best answer seems to be B.
Sir, so many problems.
So many is the best option. B is the best answer. Dash, if he is willing to fit in with the plans of the group. Which will come?
There
A,
is
B,
no
C, D.
objection.
There is no objection.
On his joining the party.
There is no objection on his joining the party if he is
So
willing
option
to.
A.
Which option? A, B, C, D, 4 option. Which will you go for?
So
So
option
B.
A.
There is no objection to him joining the party. There is no objection on his. Objection to his joining. The best option is B. No, C is better. Best option. C is best option. You look at C. There is no objection to his joining the party. So the C is the best
Yes, sir.
option. There is no objection to his. Him cannot be used. To his joining the party. As he was dash and had saved enough money, his family escaped miserly when he died suddenly.
Persistent.
No, as he was providential. Providential means जो व्यक्ति मुसीबत के लिए रुपए बचा के रखता है उसको हम कहते हैं providential. Prudent can also be used. Prudent means समझदार, but the best option is D. As he was providential and had saved enough money, his family escaped misery when he died suddenly. Some mysteries remain in desert research, especially relating to why some regions once fertile are now
Barren.
barren. Correct.
Blossoming.
Barren is correct answer. C.
Okay, sir.
Having secured the highest marks in the class, dash dash, the college had offered him a scholarship. What will come? Having secured the highest marks in the class, what will come now? A, B, C, D, 4 options are there.
He was offered a scholarship by the
Correct,
college.
absolutely right. Wonderful. B is the right answer. You've given fantastic answer. He was offered a scholarship by the college, because the first part, having secured, is about he. So in the second part, we have to compulsorily use he. Answer is B. He was offered a scholarship. Fantastic. Some mysteries remain in desert research, especially relating to why some regions once fertile are now barren. We have already told. Yes. Finished.
Sir, we have
So
class
thank you.
now.
Yes, thank you all. Thank you,
Thank you,
everybody.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.